The symmetric property of equality is if one value is equal to another value, then the second value is also equal to the first value. An example of this would be, if 3i minus 8 equals w, then w equals 3i minus 8. It may not seem like much, but it is very important and simple. Important terms to know. Equivalent, equal in value, measure, force, effect, etc. Integer, a number that can be written without a fractional component. Whole number, a number without fractions, also known as an integer. Rational number, a number that can be made by dividing two integers. Property, the three basic properties of math are reflexive, transitive, and symmetric. For example, in a problem for any integer, whole number, or rational number, if a equals b, then b equals a. If 6 equals 12 over 2x, then 12 over 2x will equal 6. Another one would be, if a plus b equals 14, then 14 equals a plus b. The symmetric property allows you to switch the left and right sides of an equation with it still equaling the same. Real-world application problem. The employee of the month at Wendy's in Virginia makes $8.25 an hour, while another Wendy's employee of the month in North Carolina also makes $8.25 an hour. Suppose employee equals X, so if X equals $8.25, then $8.25 equals X. Both employees make $8.25 an hour, even though their locations are different. Easy ways to remember the symmetric property. Reflexive equals A, it has one equal sign in it. Symmetric is if A equals B, then B equals A, it has two equal signs in it. Transitive is if A equals B and B equals C, then A equals C. It has three equal signs in it. RST 1, 2, 3 is an easy way to remember it because it rhymes and it shows you how many equal signs are beside each property. Common mistakes. The symmetric property is defined by if A equals B, then B equals A. A common mistake is people flipping the inside of the left or right side of the problem. For example, if x equals 7 minus 9, then 9 minus 7 equals x. By flipping the numbers, you change the final outcome. The first equation equals negative 2, while the second equation equals positive 2. Be sure to flip the left and right side of the equal sign only so you get the right answer. In conclusion, the symmetric property is if A equals B, then B equals A. You can tell it's the symmetric property by the if, comma, then, and also by the two equal signs. An easy way to remember is RST 1, 2, 3. And finally, beware of common mistakes, such as switching up the problem other than moving the left to right and the right to left. And that's the symmetric property.